Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have a delicious recipe for you. So we're going to be making some amazing vegetarian street tacos, and along with that we're also going to make a delicious avocado jalapeno crema that's going to taste amazing on top. So without any further ado, let's jump right into our recipe. So today we're going to be making some delicious veggie tacos. So step one, we're going to add into our pan about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then to this, we're going to add in half of a red onion that is diced. And we're going to cook our onions until they become nice and soft and begin to caramelize. The longer that we cook our onion, the better it is because it's going to become softer, and the softer it gets, the sweeter it also gets. That sweetness is going to be really nice when it balances out with our spices and our other flavors that we add in later on. So cook the onions over medium to low heat for about 6 to 7 minutes or until they become nice and soft. Next, once our onions are ready, we're going to add into our pan 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, finely minced, and 1 finely chopped jalapeno. Give it a nice mix until well combined. The jalapeno will add a nice bit of heat to our dish that's going to taste awesome when combined with the spices and the crema later on. So next, add in half a tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and last but not least, half a tablespoon of chipotle chili powder. Then give it all a nice mix so that our spices can become well combined with the rest of our dish. I always prefer to use individual spices. However, if you don't have a lot of these spices at home, you can also use taco seasoning. Just make sure that you use a little bit at a time and taste because it can be salty. Speaking of salt, next into our pan, we're going to add in salt to taste as well as pepper to taste. Add a little bit at first, taste, and then add more if needed. Give everything another mix, and then into our pan, we will add in 1 chopped green bell pepper or capsicum, 1/3 cup of corn kernels, and 1 can of washed and drained black beans. Give it all a nice mix so that all of our veggies can be coated with our seasonings. After which, give it a taste and add in more cayenne or chipotle chili pepper, as well as salt and pepper if needed. Now, this next step is optional, but I also like to add in about half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of my favorite hot sauce, just to give it all a nice kick and elevate it a little bit. Give it one final mix, and our taco filling is pretty much complete. So now let's move on to our avocado and jalapeno crema. So first, scoop out the filling of 1 avocado and add it into your blender. And then to this, we will add in 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Then add in 2 chopped jalapenos. And last but not least, we're gonna add in 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Give it a nice blend until you are left with a sauce, and then to this we're going to add in salt to taste as well as a dash of cayenne pepper and give it one final blend. And there you have it, our crema. It was super easy to make and it's all ready for us to use for our tacos. So next, take some corn tortillas and warm them up on a pan, and once they are ready, we're finally ready to plate up our tacos and assemble them. So start by placing your taco filling onto your corn tortillas and then top it with some salsa as well as some shredded cheese. If you want our homemade salsa recipe, you can click on the link in the description or you can click above as well. And last but not least, we're going to give our tacos a nice drizzle of our avocado and jalapeno crema. And there we have it, guys. Our veggie tacos are ready for us to dig in. So let's not delay it any further. Let's jump right over to the tasting. So guys, here we have our delicious tacos. I can't wait anymore. I am going to dig right in. Guys, these tacos are packed full of so much flavor. You have the spiciness from our filling. You have the nice creaminess from our sauce on top. You have the salsa, the cheese. All of it together works so well and it tastes amazing. So you guys need to try this out for yourself. Let us know what you think of it. Let us know how much you love tacos and stuff like that. And keep on cooking.